Here, hopefully this is all kind of a review for you, this next part. We need to talk about what an x-intercept is and what a y-intercept is. An x-intercept is the x-coordinate of a point at which the graph crosses the x-axis. Okay, so basically wherever we cross the x-axis, that's our x-intercept. And the y-coordinate is always going to be 0 for an x-intercept. So your x-intercept will always be some value of x with 0 as your y value. And then your y value is going to be the y-coordinate of the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. So here's our y-intercept. It's where we cross the y-axis. And notice, x is always going to be 0 for your y-intercept, and then you're going to have some value of y for where you crossed over the y-axis. So we're going to find the x and the y-intercepts of this graph over here. And the way we do that, to find my x-intercept, and I usually just abbreviate intercept int, I look for where this line crosses the x-axis. It's right there at 20, so my x-intercept is 20, 0. It crossed the x-axis where x was 20. Then I just need to find my y-intercept. My y-intercept is where I cross the y-axis, and I can see I cross the y-axis where y is 30. Remember, x is always 0 for a y-intercept, because notice if I'm on the y-axis, x is 0, and then I crossed it where y was 30. Just finding the x and the y-intercepts of a graph by looking where they cross those axes.